G'day guys, it's Pete from Perfectly Reasonable Necessities here, and on this channel we do woodworking reviews, tool reviews and woodworking product reviews as well, and we also do projects to show you that I actually use what I review. But today what we're about is we're going to make an outdoor table. Now I've done most of the rough cuts off camera for the framing and the legs and the top, so the table is going to be made out of two elements. It's going to be made out of a hardwood border and some fence palings that we got from a second-hand timber supplier called the Big Red Shed here in Brisbane. Great people there. And we're going to put some battens underneath to support it all. So let's get into the top, shall we?